Hi guys, my name is David Sisk, and I'm the Director of the English Learner Programs for Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools. On behalf of myself, also Mrs. Leslie Baldwin, the World Languages Program Manager, Anna Ortiz, the English Learner Parent Engagement Specialist, and Diana Castano, our Bilingual Programs Coach, we all have this wonderful grant opportunity that we want to share with these schools. So if you're receiving this video and this email, your schools is one of the schools that meets the criteria to participate in this grant. So the criteria for participating in this grant includes our dual language schools, our developmental bilingual schools, and our schools that currently have the Toyota Family Literacy Program. And so a couple of the schools have the developmental bilingual and the Toyota Family Literacy Program. So you guys are really lucky. If you take a look at this attachment, it's a one-page attachment. It won't take a lot of your time, but I wanted to give you a little bit of a background on this program. So first of all, it's entitled Engaging and Advancing Community-Centered Teacher Development, or EnACTed for short. This is a partnership between Guilford County Schools, UNCG, and Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools. So Project EnACTed is designed to touch on four components. First of all, it's designed to provide professional development opportunities in an online format for professionals, educational professionals, working with English learners. And so this is a very important population in our school system. Secondly, part of this grant is focused on developing a pathway for ESL or dual language support for undergraduate pre-service teachers through UNCG, the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. So that second component is for pre-service teachers. The third piece of this is to develop an ESL or a dual language add-on for in-service teachers, teachers who are currently teaching in a public school, in your school. And then fourth, implement our family engagement classes, expand a lot of what we're already doing with our Toyota Family Literacy Program in several of these schools. So if you look down at the bottom, this gives you an overview of the benefits of this program. So first of all, it would allow teachers, participating teachers, to receive a stipend for participating in this online professional development. So over the next couple months, we're going to continue working through the details of how that stipend would be received for participating teachers. Secondly, provide teachers with opportunities to participate in the ESL or the dual language add-on program with tuition covered by this grant. And again, that tuition coverage piece, we're going to look through the details and work through the details on that over the coming months, because this grant will go into effect through the 2018-2019 school year. So one of the third benefits is increasing the number of highly qualified and well-trained folks for working with English learners. Again, a very important population for our school system. Fourth, you're going to receive some university support to help us expand our family literacy offerings to these families. And last, we're going to get some resources for our family literacy programs, tablets, some other technology resources to enhance a lot of the learning opportunities we have for families in our Toyota Family Literacy Program. So then if you look down at the bottom, you'll see the partner school responsibilities. And don't worry, there's not a lot of responsibility that you have at this point. And again, we're encouraging people to be a part of this opportunity. It is not required. So some of the responsibilities, if you choose to participate, actively participate in the planning activities. So that's more of the planning at the university level and at the district level and at the administrative level. But there could be representatives from each school who are teachers and who work directly with students who may be a part of that planning process. Secondly, encouraging teachers to participate in this wonderful opportunity to get some great online professional development. Third, hosting interns, student teachers who would work in the ESL or the dual language or the developmental bilingual classrooms. Fourth, expanding some of those family literacy program classes that we already have in place and enhancing what we're doing with those families. And then lastly, there's always a little bit of data collection whenever you have a grant opportunities. So we're going to be collecting data from teachers via survey, pre-survey, post-survey, and then some data as we go through this process. So in a nutshell, that's a snapshot of what this grant will do for your school. And again, we're focusing on schools with the dual language program, the developmental bilingual program, and the Toyota Family Literacy program. So I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video, and you're going to see a link in the email to a very short survey where we can get your input as we start this journey working on Project EnACTed. Again, my name is David Sisk. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for your time.